4-wire RTDs are the most accurate RTDs that you can get, and today I'm going to show you how to hook them up to our RTD interface. The 4-wire RTD has 2 wires coming from each side of the resistance device, and this lets us completely compensate for the lead resistance. So this is great where you've got long runs. And 3 wires do okay, but 4 wires really give us the best result, so these are most often seen in laboratory settings. There will be 2 wires of one color and 2 wires of another color, red and white in the case of this RTD. To hook up a 4-wire RTD, you need the RTD interface, a small straight slot screwdriver, the terminal block, and your 4-wire RTD. You can always look in the manual for examples of how to hook it up, but you can also look on the bottom of the unit. We have the wiring diagram right here. Since a 4-wire RTD has 2 wires from each side of the resistance device, we've got 2 colors, generally red and white, or different on different manufacturers. We'll put the 2 red wires on Force Plus and RTD Plus, and the 2 white wires on RTD Minus and Force Minus in this case. So we've got that there for reference. We take our terminal block and we separate out the wires. And it doesn't matter which side, whether red or white or whatever your colors are, go in first. They just need to go in independent terminals, and you need to make sure that there's not any strands of wire where they shouldn't be. I'm going to put the red ones in 3 and in 4 and tighten those down. Check and make sure everything's secure. We take our interface, pick which terminal we'd like to plug into, RTD1 in this case, and we're ready to configure. To configure the 4-wire RTD, the only thing we need to do is use the SETWIRES command to tell the interface that it's connected to a 4-wire RTD. So I'm going to connect with any serial terminal program. I like using CoolTerm. And then I'm going to use the SETWIRES channel 1, and this is a 4-wire RTD. You see the response says OK. I'm going to use the show command, and it shows here that my wire configuration is indeed 4, so that configured correctly. And now I can use read. You see 21.93, 21.3, so we're about 21, almost 22 degrees Celsius, which is about right for the room temperature right now. If you forget these commands, you can always look them up in the manual, or just type help for a complete listing of commands right there in the serial terminal. The 4-wire RTD is actually one of the easiest to hook up because we don't have to make or install any jumpers. It's also the most accurate, it's just a little bit more expensive than some of the others. Don't forget to watch our other videos for more tips, tricks, and product announcements.